Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gamma for your presentations. Gamma is an innovative, AI-powered tool designed to revolutionize how you create and deliver engaging content. It helps you transform your raw ideas into polished, professional decks with remarkable speed and ease. Think of it as your smart design assistant, offering intuitive formatting and intelligent suggestions to make your presentations truly stand out. To create your first Gamma presentation, simply click New Deck and decide if you want to start from scratch or use a template. You can even leverage AI prompts to generate initial content based on your topic, saving you valuable time. Once your foundation is set, adding text, images, and videos is straightforward, allowing you to build your narrative piece by piece. Now, let's make your presentation truly shine. Gamma offers extensive customization options, allowing you to select from a wide array of themes and fonts to match your brand or style. You can also embed interactive elements, such as polls or quizzes, to keep your audience engaged. Plus, real-time collaboration features make it easy for your team to work together seamlessly on the same deck. Finally, it's time to present and share your amazing work. Gamma provides a smooth presentation mode directly within the platform, ensuring a professional delivery. You can easily share your deck with others by generating a unique link or embedding it directly onto a website. For offline access or broader distribution, Gamma also allows you to export your presentation as a PDF or a PowerPoint file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.